This is for all parents and professionals in education. We want to bring learning and studying on a different level, not just for children, but also for you. Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you the rooms of our TLI network of organizations, the Academy, TLI Academy, the Lelek Academy. In our academies we are training early childhood teachers, early years teachers, assistants, nannies, au pairs, and we have lots of workshops for parents, and we have them not just here in our academy, but we are also providing them online. So today I'd like to take you on a tour. It doesn't mean that we have to sit in sterile seminar rooms or university rooms when we study and learn to produce good results. Because we want to bring learning on a different level, not just for children, also for adults. And this is why I take you around now, so that you can see how we study and learn. Now we are in the hall. This is when our students enter. They will exactly enter like this. For us it is very important to give the feeling of home. Let's walk into the first seminar room. You can see here we are surrounded by green, and we have tables here and comfortable chairs in the seminar rooms. And the trainers and the students arrange the room always according that they need it in their classroom. Just for your information, the flowers are here to go outside in our garden. You can see on the tables there are already the names of the students coming today. You see here we're missing the flowers. They will come and we'll get them from our own garden in. Of course the trainer has a flip chart, the students can use it. We have a huge whiteboard which can be opened. We have the projector, everything is here. You can see that too, so that the trainers have the comfort of all of the information, and they can also see outside in our lovely garden. I'd like to speak a little bit about our activity board. This is the working wall, we call it. You can see that the people from the last workshop, the things are still here. You can see that they had information about portfolio, they were speaking about order, they were speaking about the daily routine, they were speaking about structures, about rules, regulations. And we have this spider web here, so they made it in a different way understandable to the parents and the early childhood educators, teachers, the ones who are at the training, to think about. As you can see, we have also some toys here because we are doing some play group, and we are not just doing some play group, we are also doing nurturing of parents, helping them in their understanding of education, parenting, having discussions, philosophical approaches, and really work also together with them on situations which they are encountering, having exchange of information between parents. You can see that from this room we can enter another room which we cannot enter at the present moment because there is a workshop going on. This is back to the hall, and then from the hall you go to the other side where you have the bathroom, we have the toilet, hand washing possibilities, the offices, and another workshop room that we can use. I hope you enjoyed it very much, and we are very much looking forward to seeing you here or being with you in the training of one of our online academies. Maybe this seat is for you already. All the best.